Things the wrong way. Unboxing the X Pen 03 graphic tablet. It is going to improve my life of teaching immensely. Stakahuba has been involved. See how flat it is. It's, so this right here, very flat. Thin. It actually also has a bag that you can buy. The bag is about $800, but you can just ask people who can do. You can make nice ones, homemade ones for you. Someone can make a mask. You can make a nice bag for the XP. This is how it looks. The graphic tablet. It has a glove also. It's got some sort of protective layer. There's a red dial for zooming in. This little thing here is what's going to improve the teaching on another level. This is the stylus. So it comes, the pen with the pen, it comes in such a container here. So this is your pen holder. So this is the pen that you write on the surface, and it has got the little button here that you can use. So this also acts then as a pen holder, and at the back you have your nibs. See your nibs that you're going to use. So also the nibs are now like the points that you put in front of the pen, and then this is like you have the option of having a wireless. So this is the dongle that you put in your computer for wireless, so it can work wirelessly, or ultimately you can use the USB cable. And I like the USB cable because it comes out with an L-shaped sort of cable that is nice. Just unwrap this. So today I'm going to try the first lesson on it, and then you'll actually see me writing on it. So first I have to kind of get used to the whole writing of the thing. Unfortunately, you don't get this in Namibia. I had to buy it and take a lot. So the USB is nice because I like the L-shaped input, as you can see. So then this connects directly to the computer, and then some few things falling. So you have the glove that you use so they don't make any smudges as you're writing. Unboxing. So you have got the glove, Michael Jackson glove. Okay, so this is going to be something else. Tell you, you're like this. So you have with the pen, and so you're writing on this. So this helps so you don't put any smudges on the graphic tablet. So it has got pressure points, nice pixels, a lot of other buttons that you can use. I like it, the fact that it's wireless. Also have your input here, and then this is where you put it on and off, and you have the glove. So I'm going to do a lesson on this, and then you'll see me how I actually write. That's it. The Deco XP03. I like the fact that the pen doesn't have, it's wireless. You don't have to charge the pen. Some of these makes you have to charge the pen. This pen is pretty much just going to be it. The only thing that you will be changing are the nibs, and yeah, so this is going to be the surface that you write on, and it appears on your desktop. I'm going to do another video where I show you how I do this and how I then respond. The Deco. This is not sponsored. The video is not sponsored. I just want to improve the level of teaching teachers in Namibia. please have a look. I'm going to do one or two tonight, so you can see how powerful this stuff is. I had to buy it in Take a Lot online in South Africa, and it took quite a journey getting it here. So these are the things you can get, whether you buy them online or Amazon or stuff like that. And once you have it, it has supporting books for you, and gives you more or less in different languages how it works. So we'll try it out and you will see.